My name is Kareem Samara. I'm a multi-instrumentalist. I play the oud, which is an Arabic instrument. I play Arabic percussion, I play guitar and normal kind of Western rock instruments. So with Kids on the Green, who are a charity in the Ladbroke Grove area, I had proposed to do sound workshops with them which involved them going on walks around the area that they grew up in and live in, and to listen closer to the sounds that they hear every day. Then with the use of field recorders, they would walk around the area and record some sounds, for example, a skate park, the road, the band near Ladbroke Grove tube station. And they can start to hear every smaller piece of the jigsaw that is Ladbroke Grove. Anything can make beautiful music. Beautiful is only subjective, but I grew up loving music and sound, and I think over the years I've found that there's no real distinction between sound and music. It's a way of expressing something that can't be written down. It's something that's always around. You don't have to use headphones, you can just listen. This workshop shows children of mixed backgrounds, mixed heritage, that every part of their being and every part of their culture is important to who they are and to their community. I think at the moment, my favourite Arab song is Ana Dammi Falastini by Mohammed Assef, but I love Arabic music from the last 50 years. I think that my favourite Arabic musician though, or sound artist, as we're doing sound, is an Egyptian legend called Halim al-Dabh. He was the very first man to record the sound of his environment in Egypt. When I was younger, I wanted to be many things in an order, and it always started with very menial, basic jobs. Bus conductor, working on the tube, and then my mother told me I should be a doctor, as a good Arab mother does, but I went against that and wanted to be a footballer. So I'm a musician, and I can make a piece of music by hitting my legs or something like that now. But you don't even have to do anything, you can just hear the music of the area that you're in. You can hear the Westway, you can hear the cars, you can hear the stereo panning of one car going to the other side. You can hear the sound of the space, you can hear the sound of the room if I clap.